Okay, so here comes the new Pixel props available for you, which has the latest June security patch. Like all the previous months where I've shown you, you can get the April, March security patch, May security patch without even installing that custom ROM, and we have that June security patch. Of course, it's just a spoof, it's not original security patch for you, but it has the Pixel props. So yes, we have some little bit of hacks available for you. This is the security patch which I was talking about. As you can see, Android security update 5th of June 2021, but by default this custom ROM has the April security patch, but we have installed that spoof. So yes, we have now June security patch. Even my device is showing as Pixel 5. You can do it also. It should work on almost all devices, no worries about that. We have this by default. In my case, I'm using Redmi Note 8 running Android version 11. As you can see, alongside with that, let me show you one more thing. This is Redmi Note 8. This is Ginkgo with 5th of April 2021 security patch. This is by default security patch, by the way. But yes, if you want that, let me show you once again. ConquerOS, this is a custom ROM which right now I'm using it on my device, and this is what it's going on. For example, 5th of April 2021. Let me show you by going into Magisk how you can get that. I'm using the latest Magisk version 23, and of course the latest Magisk version is always recommended, but if you want to use any other Magisk version, it's just up to you. Click on install from storage and select the file redfin a11june.zip, and a link for this file is in the description. Very easy to install, and after the installation you simply need to reboot your device once, and of course reboot is recommended. If you don't reboot your device, you'll not be able to see these changes. And of course, if you are familiar to Magisk, make sure you know that after installation of module, simply need to reboot your device to make it work. So let me just reboot my device once, and also I'm not gonna pause and play, and let's just test it that how much time it will take to reboot my device. It's not depend upon Magisk, by the way. I'm just testing my custom ROM. So we just press the restart option, reboot option here. It's at logo, and if it is booting at less than 20 to 30 seconds, it's quite good. Some ROMs are taking a lot of time, so I thought I should test here. So we are here at this custom ROM which has the boot animation now running, and I don't think so it will take more than 10 seconds from now on. 987654, let's see, and yes, it's booted. It's actually quite fast. So let me show you by going into device info once again to show you that it works. As you can see, Google Pixel 5, and we have the latest June security patch and a lot more things which you can do. This is all from today's short and simple video. Link for this file is in the description, so if you like it, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. A lot of videos you're gonna get about Magisk modules and some these kind of things, some more, etc. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.